Hey you guys, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara and today is a day of cleaning, you guys. I want to come back with a video, a cleaning video, you guys. I know that a lot of people have been wondering where have I been, but you guys, I have took me a good old break. I needed this break. I was really getting burnt out from YouTube, so I just took me a break, and within that break so much has happened and we are so grateful and thankful to God. So right here, you guys, I am starting my day off with a good old cup of joe. As you guys know, I love my coffee. I like it hot and I like cold coffee as well. So that's what I'm doing here, starting my day off with a cup of coffee. After I got done with my good old cup of coffee, you guys, I came upstairs to go ahead and get this laundry sorted so that I can get this laundry done, taken care of for today. This is, I think a week's worth of clothing, but yeah, you guys, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get everything all separate. I'm going to have 2 loads of clothes, and also you will see me fold them at the end of this video. Before I get too far gone in this video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and anything that pertains to mom life. And also, you guys, I may have some worship, praise and worship every now and then on this channel as well. So if this is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. I would like to thank Vacplus for sending me over these laundry detergent sheets. It is 60 sheets in a box. It is highly concentrated It is a highly concentrated formula, no measuring required, and it is plastic free. It dissolves quickly, no optical brighteners, no phosphates, and it is 100% recycled. It is in the fresh scent as well. Also, you guys, I never used these before, but I have seen a lot of YouTubers using these, but I never used them before. But I was so happy when they reached out to me, so I decided to go ahead and give them a try. The instructions is if you have 1 to 4 pieces of clothing, use a half a sheet. 5 to 8 pieces of clothing, use a whole sheet. And 9 to 14 pieces of clothing, use 2 sheets. You guys, you know that I'm used to using detergent, laundry detergent, and these sheets. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and give them a try, but I have a whole load of clothing, and this is the white clothes that I'm going to try it on. So I'm going to use 8 sheets, you guys. Yes, 8 sheets. I know it may be a lot, but I am using 8 sheets. And I'm going to let you know how the clothes turned out at the end. Also, I use a little bleach on my white clothes as well. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like. They look like a sheet of paper, but they are sort of kind of thick, and they smell really, really good. Also, you guys, after I took the clothes out of the washer and I smelled them, they smell just like the fresh scent. So I can't knock it on that, but I don't think that I will buy these for myself, but I am going to go ahead and use these up. But yeah, you guys, I feel as if they don't get the clothes really, really clean like I like them, but to each their own. So if you would like to try these laundry detergent sheets, you guys, I will have all of the information down in my description box as well as the comment section. So if you want to try them out, just go over to Vacplus Amazon store and check them out. Also, if you're not following me over on my social media platforms, I will have everything going across the screen, also in the description box. You guys, please go over and follow me on my TikTok, my Facebook pages, as well as my Instagram. Somebody else, and I've been feeling lonely in this king size bed. Okay, you guys, now we have made it into the kitchen. I'm just going to get in here and tidy the kitchen up. Also, you guys, I will be sweeping and mopping as well. I'm not going to be talking throughout this video, you guys. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this good old music. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. If you're not subscribed or you just watching, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And also, you guys, share it with your family and your friends and on your social media so that it can get your girl on out here. Also, you guys, like this video as well so that the algorithm can pick me up in their system.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La 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 la. I wanna stay here with you. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh, keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know
Okay, you guys, we're almost at the stopping point of this video. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I know that I have been gone for a while, but I am back, you guys. But thank you once again. I really and truly appreciate you guys, and I pray that this video helps motivate someone to get up and do something around their home. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
I need my cake and eat.